channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Back to the for deep learning. Today we will discuss the fundamentals of deep learning, the part 2. Here we are going to step by step. There will be around 20 basic things you should be know about the deep learning if you want to learn and be master in the deep learning concept. Let's go for the topics. Activation functions, where is construct, Sigmoid, ReLU, and SoftMax function. So we are going to discuss what is what just for a noun purpose only. Remaining I will continue later. So neurons. So once you go for the concept of deep learning, we should now go for the ANN, that is artificial neural network also. So for a neural network, the basic thing is called the neuron here. So what you can say neuron? Neuron is a basic unit where it can perform simple calculations and make decisions based on the inputs. So whatever inputs given, it may be image or anything, it may take decision based on the neuron only. So neuron is very important, and moreover these are connected with each other in a network where these are work together to perform any complex difficult task. It may be image classification or language translation. Let's see the small example. What you can say means, let's say if you have friends and you want to play a game of telephone. So in this game, if one person messages to another one and connectivity is suppose if you have 10 pens, each and everyone have to connect continuously. That is in the order 1 to 10 like that. So once the connector one person to another person, again another person, at last it will be end with a 10th person. If you assume 10 persons, so the connectivity is there. With the connectivity, what you can do, we can perform the task, whatever task given. So pass the information. That is a motto in neurons here. So this is a simple example where in the previous class we discussed about the deep learning fundamentals. Okay, so there we told about the input and out layer as well as the hidden layer. If you have any input, whatever the input is there, you can go with the head of hidden layer. It will perform all the tasks. At last, go for the output prediction. Whether suppose if between the image, whether this image is there and the object or anything like that. And activation function. The activation function is a very big one. So we are going to see the simple one only, where we can discuss Sigmoid, ReLU, and SoftMax. So activation function, what you can say, is one of the gatekeeper for each neuron in the ANN. And moreover, it is the deciding authority, say whether the neuron should be turned on or off like that. So there will be many things there. Later we discuss possibly implement so Sigmoid. So one of the activation called Sigmoid because it's like similar to ActivationFunction switch cap, because it always turns the neuron or off based on the input here. And if the input is above the threshold level, the Sigmoid function outputs a value of 1. Otherwise, it will output which turns the neuron off here. And ReLU. So ReLU is also like a switch only. It's more somewhat complicated. That means if the input is all positive, the ReLU function outputs the same positive value. And there will be some equations will be there. Later we discuss. And suppose if the input is not positive, the ReLU function gives the output as a 0, which turns the neuron off here. Next one, the SoftMax. The SoftMax is also like voting system where it always collects the inputs in the output of all the neurons in the layer and decide which neuron should be have the most influence on the final output. So which is very important. For that one, the SoftMax gives the priority. So this is a simple diagram for understanding the SoftMax activation function. So there will be n number of benefits to go for the SoftMax activation function also. So I hope that you understand, have idea about what is neuron and why we need neuron and what is the activation functions and what are the activations like Sigmoid, ReLU and SoftMax. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.